namaste, welcome to Green Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for supporting me. You guys are so good, so nice people. I love you all. Okay, so in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. In the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's pick card reading is unexpected blessings coming your way from your angels. So that is going to be the reading for today. So yesterday while I was meditating, I got this topic. Oh, so I just wanted to do it. And actually I woke up very early today, like at 3:30 a.m. and I meditated. Now I'm here doing this reading. Okay, so yeah, so as usual I have 3 piles over here. Remember, these are general and timeless reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. So yeah, so for group number 1 I have this white feather. For group number 2 it's orange color feather. And for group number 3 it's a red color feather. So close your eyes, relax, connect with your intuition, connect with your angels, and select a feather or a card that calls to you, or a number that calls to you. Okay, the timestamps will be listed in the description box. So I'm gonna start with group number 1. Group number 1, if you chose this white feather, let's see what are your messages, what is the unexpected blessings coming from your angels. So first I will start with this. I have actually shuffled your cards. Okay, so let's start with this for you guys. What are the unexpected blessings coming your way with this white feather? A lot of protection. Of course you're very connected to the angels. I feel like you get a lot of messages, a lot of signs, I feel like, for group number 1. Okay, maybe you're seeing 1111, I don't know, I just felt like that. So maybe, yeah, whenever you see that number, just sit with yourself, okay, and connect with yourself and ask why I'm seeing this, and you will get your answer. Okay, so do that if you're seeing that number. Okay, so let's see, what is your messages, what are your unexpected blessings from your angels? Okay, so we got this card, and I just feel like taking one more. So I'm just going to take one more for you guys. So group number 1, what are unexpected blessings from your angels coming your way? Okay, so yeah, we have to, okay, let's see. I'm going to start with these. Okay, let's see. Clarity. Close your eyes for a moment, breathe in the blue of the sky. What I told you right now, you know, you are very connected to your angels, and whenever you see something, some signs, just sit with yourself. I told you, isn't it? And when you do that, you will get the clarity, you will get all your answers. You don't have to Google, you don't have to search, or you don't, I feel for this pile you don't have to like watch tarot reading also, because you will get all your answers by yourself when you sit with yourself, right? So yeah, I'll miss you guys, but definitely I see that, yeah, that is what I see for you guys. You will get your answers when you connect with yourself, when you sit with yourself. You're going to get the clarity you need. You don't want any external source, you know, your internal source is enough for you guys. Group number 1, that is your blessing. Everyone, you know, sometimes we get confused and everyone doesn't get their answers, right? So they reach out to other people, but for you guys it's like you just need to reach out to yourself. That's what I feel. Look, all is well. Wow, guys, everything is good for you guys. You don't have to worry about anything. That is the blessing. So even if you're going through something right now in your life, don't worry, because everything is going to be well at the end, because your angels has your back. I feel this pile is so blessed. Everything is happening exactly as it is supposed to. With hidden blessings you will soon understand. Okay, so definitely there is a lot of blessings coming for you guys. The first major blessing is that you are connected, you get all your answers by yourself. Okay, so yeah, pile number 1, you're so protected, you're so guided by your angels. Your angels loves you guys. So remember that. Whenever you're confused, remember that. Just seek within, connect with yourself, Okay, meditation, practice meditation. Okay, so yeah, teaching and learning. Yes, 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 definitely. This is the blessing. You know, you're learning a lot of things right now, and what you're learning, you will teach in the future. So you're getting a lot of messages from your divine. You're getting a lot of messages from your angels. So angels are like whenever you see a number, yeah, hey, stop there, stop there, sit with yourself. let me let me give you all the answers. Sit, yeah, just don't, maybe you are like sometimes you don't meditate. I feel for this pile, you know, you have problem meditating sometimes, like you have a lot of work to do and you're like, oh, I don't have time for meditation or something like that. So just take like 10 to 15 minutes a day, you will get all your answers, and that is your major blessing. And you know, you are going to teach a lot of things that you are learning right now. So maybe for some of you, you are going through a lot of shift in your life, you are experiencing a lot of things, you're learning, you're grabbing the knowledge. So yeah, learn, because you're meant to teach. You're the teachers, you're the I feel like you're the healers also. For some of you, you will heal people through your words, through your knowledge. You are very wise people. So yeah. So that's it, that's the major blessing. Right, whatever you're learning, you will teach it. So but you know, I feel like learning knowledge is like, it's every, you know, we don't stop learning, right? You also, I feel like you will be learning all your life and you will be teaching. So yeah, you're going to grow. I feel like this pile is growing. You are expanding, you're understanding so many things. Yeah, last year the knowledge you had, like I'm like, you have grown so much, you know. From last year, I see you are now a different person. The next year you will be a different person. You're growing, you're evolving, you're becoming more wiser each day. So you have so much to give to other people. Okay, so remember, you're doing great. Remember that whatever you, if you give some small advice to a person, or if you give a shoulder to cry on, right, you're doing good. Okay, you're doing good. If you ask someone, yeah, how are you doing, and they share their problems, you're doing good. I feel like that you're doing good, you're doing enough. Why are you questioning that you don't do enough or something like that? I don't know, I feel like that. But you're doing enough, you're worthy. Okay, you're doing enough, you're doing enough. I don't know why I have to repeat that, but I feel like some of you need to know that, like your angels are telling you're doing very good. Like that. Yeah, look, peaks of joy, 33 number, connection with the divine. Look at the number 33, master number, right? And 33 number is also like a connection to divine number. It's about growth, it's about expansion, having the joy, enjoying life. So you are going to enjoy life, you are going to enjoy your work. So you are going to do something that touches your heart, that makes you happy, right? And that is your major blessing. So if you are in a career right now where you are not enjoying your work, I see that you will be doing something that you enjoy in the future, for sure. That's what. And you will be very happy. Sometimes it's not the money that makes us happy, it's not the car, it's not the big home that makes us happy, right? It's the small small things. And I feel for this, while you are going to enjoy life, and you're going to see the beauty in small small things, and that is what you're going to teach to other people, right? You're going to heal other people. You don't know. Right now, I feel you don't know how capable you are. You are very, very strong people. You're powerful. You have so much back. You have, like, the universe loves you. The universe has your back. That is what I feel for group number 1 right now. Look, strength. You have a lot of strength that you don't know. You're very confident people. Look, with this strength card, you have the power to tame a lion. You are doing that. I feel like you're taming your demons inside of you. You're learning that. I feel like that, like how to, maybe you have gone through like a period of depression or anxiety or something, and you have one. Like, I feel like you're winning over them, like you're winning over your fears, you're coming out of that, you're conquering your fear, you have that strength, you're gaining that confidence, you're becoming more courageous. That is what you're learning right now, and you're going to teach that to other people. I feel like, to be more courageous, to be more confident. So yeah, you don't have to worry right now. Everything is okay. Look, we have the Empress. Wow, look, two major arcanas. You are this Empress. Your gender doesn't matter, but you are the one who are going to be very kind, very compassionate. You're going to give so good, like good advice to people. Yeah, first maybe small. You will help small children, or maybe it can be like you will help your parents. Like yeah, it can be like you will help your spouse. You're going to have a very abundant life, I feel like that. Like you will, that is what I feel like. You will have a very abundant life, very happy life. Right now you're not seeing that. I feel like you're like, why there is so much struggle, why I'm not getting my answers, why I'm so confused. But all you need to do is to seek within. You will get all your answers. Look, the Empress is like the mixture of four queens, right? So yeah, you're the Empress. You're going to reap all your rewards. So if you have been working on something that you're passionate about, you will get all your blessings, right? You are going to reap all your rewards. So much of, like, I feel like this pile is so blessed. Yeah, you're the star. Look, happy times, make positive, optimistic, long term plans, on the right path. You're going good. You're going good. Whatever you're doing, you're on the right path. I feel like even if you have a 9 to 5 job, you are doing something very like a hobby, a side thing. I feel like that. Keep on doing it. Maybe you have an Instagram account or an YouTube channel or something where you give advice to other people, or you do something, you teach something. Maybe you teach art, or maybe you teach craft, or maybe you teach biology. I don't know, but whatever you're doing, you are going to be good at it. Okay, so you are going to reap all your rewards. And I feel for this pile, the major blessing is like you will be able to do something you always wanted to do, and you will shine there. So be hopeful. So whatever in your life, whatever is happening, remember to be optimistic, because everything is going to be good. All is going to be well. Don't worry too much. Yeah, Queen of Air. Yeah, objective decision making, clearing away all that no longer serves you, seeing the humor in a situation. Sometimes we need to do that, right? You're going to be very independent. You're not going to depend on anyone. Right now, if you feel like you're dependent on people, you're not going to be dependent. You will know how to take care of your emotions. Sometimes we don't know, right? And for you guys, it's like you know how to take care of your emotions, how to tame that demons inside of you. Sometimes overthinking, right? You will know how to take care of that. Okay, and you will help other people. You will make better decisions every day. You will make better decisions, and you're going, for this pile, you don't have to worry about anything. You're going good. You're on the right path. Your angels are telling that keep on moving forward. You're going to experience joy. For some of you, I feel while you will be meditating, you will be experiencing a lot of joyful movements. Maybe for some of you, you will be having some mystical experiences also. I feel like, yeah, that's what I felt like in the future. I don't even feel like you will watch tarot readings or and all, because I feel like you will have all your answers, right? That is what I feel like, because you don't want to know anything, because you know everything. And whenever you're confused, all you need to do is to connect with yourself. You will know everything. That is what I feel for this pile. You are very strong. You're very independent. If you start a business or anything, but anything that calls to you, it is going to be very successful. So be positive. Keep on moving forward, guys. You are I'm getting this boss lady vibes. Even if you're male, that is the energy. Like you're going to be the boss. You can do everything by yourself. I'm not saying that you don't have to take support from other people. I feel like you will get the support, but you have that much power, you have that much strength. I feel like you have gone through a lot in the past, and you have become such a strong version. You're the best. You're going to be the best version of yourself. You have a lot of passion. Follow that passion. Keep on moving forward, guys. And I'm getting a message for some of you. If you're a male, there is a female coming in your life. Maybe for some of you, it's like this person will help you with finances, or maybe this can be life partner, like if you're seeking love, I feel like this person is going to be very independent, very strong. This person will help you grow, give you the advice that you need. So yeah, definitely. So yeah, that's what I feel for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. So group number 2, if you chose this orange feather, let's see what unexpected blessings are coming from your angels. So with this orange color, I'm getting you very creative. So a lot of creative thoughts are coming your way. So let's see what your angels have for you. What are the unexpected blessings for my group number 2 people? Okay, wait a second. Yeah, okay, so let's see. A lot of ideas, a lot of creative ideas. So if you get some creative ideas, write it down. If you get some, if you get a hunch, like sometimes we get some hunches, right? Some intuitive hunches. Just if you feel like you need to do this, go and do it. It's like your angels are giving you the message. You are a channel of messages. I feel like that. That is what I feel for this pile. The energy is like that. You're very intuitive. You're very creative. So yeah, your angels constantly give you messages. Maybe in your dreams you get a lot of messages, like you sometimes you see the future events in your dreams, right? I feel like that also for some of you. So write down whenever you get a message. If you're cooking, you get some message, take a pen, write it down. Okay. So yeah, maybe if you are in creative writing or something, write it down. Oh yeah, look at it. I was talking about that. Look, you got creative writing, Archangel Gabriel. So yeah, speaking your truth, expressing yourself, self-expression. Like make time to write down your thoughts in a journal or pen and article or book. So what I was talking about. So yeah, creative writing, write it down. Maybe you have a book inside of you that you don't know right now. So maybe maybe like you don't know about it right now, but I feel in the future you will get that intuitive nudge. And just whenever you get an idea, write it down, whatever it is, even if it's a blog or maybe an idea about a YouTube video, whatever it is, write it down, guys, because that is your blessing. You're meant to do something very creative thing. Okay, new ideas. Okay, let's see what is your trust. Trust, guys, all will work out well. Your angels are here to nurture, protect, and heal you. So, yes, you need to trust in your own capabilities. You need to trust in your intuition. That is what you need to trust in your intuition, in your creative abilities, in your own writing. Sometimes we don't trust. We feel like, oh, that will not work. Sometimes we don't trust our intuition because we feel like, oh, am I crazy to think like that? Oh, this is not correct. I feel like you think like that. So it's like your angels are like, trust whatever you're feeling, like if you're seeing a sign, it's like, yes, that like your angels are trying to communicate to you, guys. You are very, I feel for this pile, you're spiritual, you're very intuitive. That is what I feel for you guys. And you're very creative, definitely. Yeah, so look at that, we have spiritual career. So for some of you, if you are planning to do something spiritually, just go for it. It's like a green flag, like green light from your angels, like go for it. If you want to write something about spirituality, or like, yes, like you can write books about it, maybe self-help books, or maybe you want to open an Instagram page where you post spiritual stuff, or maybe you want to do a YouTube video where you post about spirituality, whatever it is. If you're planning to do it, like keep on working on it. If you're already doing it, yes, it's like it's going to work out. Everything will be okay for you, guys. You don't have to worry about it. So sometimes we don't trust, right? Oh, if I do this, if I quit my job, if I do this, what if this doesn't go well? Sometimes we stress a lot. So it's like your angels are like, they're giving you so many messages. They are like giving you so many messages. So just trust it, guys. That is what they are saying. Look, wide open, look, a lot of opportunities. Maybe some of you will be collaborating with other people. Okay, I'm getting designing an oracle card for some of you. This is very spiritual. For group number 2, if this is not your message, I don't yeah, if you are not into spirituality, if you are not into these kind of stuff, if you don't believe in these things, I don't think this is your message. This is like you are very spiritually advanced people, you have spiritual gifts. All you need to do is trust in yourself, in your capabilities. Your sacral chakra is the most important one, I feel like yeah. So for some of you, you need to work on work there. Okay, sacral chakra, I feel like it. Okay, so yeah, that is, I feel for many of you, you're going to glow also, right? You are like, I feel like wearing like you're going to glow. You're going to be like, you're very beautiful people, I feel like. Yeah, and you're loving yourself. You're taking care of yourself, I feel like that. You have transformed a lot. I feel like you're not the ones you were last year. You're growing, you're evolving, you're moving forward, you're connecting with your soul purpose, you're connecting with your destiny, and this thing. So sometimes when we do things differently, we stress. Right? Sometimes that ego comes, like fear comes. Don't fear, guys. You will get a lot of opportunities. Just keep your hands open and trust your intuition, guys. That is what is coming for you guys. And I look at the number 7 number, right? And 7 is all about spirituality. So you will be I feel like this pile, you need to dig a lot, research, read books, that will help you a lot. Yeah, you're going to have a lot of knowledge. Meditate. I feel like you meditate, but do it. Meditation is very important for you guys, I feel like through meditation you can connect with your angels, you can get your ideas. Your dreams are also important. Maybe for some of you do lucid dreaming. Maybe if you don't know about it, research about it. Okay, but definitely you are connected. What should I say now, guys? We have Queen of Cups. Again, you're the psychic, yeah, you're very intuitive people. If you have a spiritual career, if you want to do something spiritually, like, go for it. Your intuitions are on point. Your intuition is on point. What do you think is like correct? Okay, you're channeling lots of messages. You're meant to help people. Okay, and so if you want to write a book, you're getting a lot of ideas. Take that ideas, because it's the your ideas are coming like through your angels. So yeah, you're moving forward. Yeah, okay, so maybe for some of you, if you have already started something spiritually, maybe the things were not so easy for you guys, but you're finally moving to a better place. For some of you, I feel you might be relocating also. That might be an unexpected blessing. Maybe you like get a chance to relocate, or maybe you get an offer from somewhere. Like maybe you're collaborating with different people. That is also, I feel like, maybe you're doing a spiritual, if you want to start a spiritual business or something, go for it. Don't stop yourself, because you will get a lot of opportunities. Yeah, this is like look at the cards, the High Priestess and 9 of Earth. We have Queen of Cups, we have spiritual career, we have High Priestess. What I have to say, you guys know, right? You are very intuitive, so you know that. Yeah, so yeah, so if you're planning on a spiritual career, go for it. Don't think too much. If you are planning on writing a book, or you do, or if you want to help people through automatic writing, if you channel like Akashic records, if you do that, move forward with it. Yeah, you're meant to have all the abundance, guys. Look, 9 of Earth, right? 9 of Earth is energy where she has a business, she's taking care of herself. Yeah, she's getting paid for her passion, she's enjoying life, she's reading books. With High Priest is also book knowledge. So yeah, I know that your intuition is very strong, but I feel like you need to like, if you feel like reading a book, if there is a book that you want to read, just go ahead and do it. Okay, because you will get a lot of new information. Because yeah, I feel like you're meant to meant to learn new things, like spiritual things. Okay, listen to your intuition, have patience, consider carefully what you want before acting. So with this like spiritual career, so trust in your capabilities and have patience, guys. That is the only thing you need to have right now, because you're slowly moving towards a beautiful phase of your life, right, where you will be financially independent. You can make your own coins. Maybe you have been dependent on other people financially, but that is not going to going to be the case in the future. Okay, you will make your own coins. You're going to make you I feel for you guys, you will make a name for yourself. That is what I feel like. People will come to you and like they will ask your help, I feel like, and you will be able to help them. So don't doubt yourself. Okay, if you feel like, yeah, I need to buy a tarot card today, just go and buy it. Okay, maybe for some of you, you are like, oh, whether I should do it. I watch tarot cards reading and I'm attracted to this, I want to do it, but at the same time you have the fear that you will not be good at it, or how I will learn. But with this reading, like this reading is saying, just go for it. If you're feeling like that, if you haven't started yet, just go, just go. Because yeah, you're going to transform a lot of transformation for you guys. If you have transformed already, you are going to transform more and more and more. So just trust. This is your reading, group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Hello, group number 3. If you choose this red color, then this is your reading with me. So let's see what are your messages, what are your unexpected blessings coming from your angels. So with this red color, a lot of like root chakra I'm getting. So maybe you need to work on your root chakra. There is an imbalance in your life right now, and maybe in your relationship, in your finances, there is an imbalance. I feel balance is coming slowly for you guys. Okay, I'm sensing a heavy energy for you guys. Maybe you have gone through some disappointments, some loss in your life, but you will be able to balance it. I feel like balance is coming. Okay, let's see what is the message from your angels. What are the unexpected blessings for you guys? Okay, let's see. Okay, okay, we got this for group number 1, I feel like. Okay, anyways, all will work out well. We, your angels, are here to nurture, protect and heal you. Okay, so you need to trust. Right now all you need to do is trust. I feel yeah, you have gone through a loss, a period of loss, where you're questioning yourself, where you're questioning your capabilities, where you're questioning other people, why this is happening, why this has happened. You're questioning a lot of things, why my life is like this. Maybe, yeah, I feel like you're questioning a lot of things. So like your angels are like here telling you trust. Right now they are here with you, they are protecting you. Maybe you cannot, you're feeling like for some of you, you are not believing right now that that your angels will help you or not. Maybe you have lost hope, so don't lose hope. They are telling you to trust. Okay, yeah, we have red color and we have passion here. Trust and follow your renewed passion in your love life and career. So yes, yeah, I feel like, you know, you have gone through a major disappointment, maybe in your love life or maybe in your career. So something has happened that broke your heart and you have lost your trust. So I feel your blessing, your unexpected blessing is that you are going to have faith. You're going to believe in love again. You're going to believe in your passion again. Okay, so for some of you, yeah, that is what is happening. You have, yeah, I feel like your heart has broken. You have lost trust, but it's, you are coming back together. Okay, trust it. Yeah, you will have you will, yeah, with this red, yeah, maybe for some of you, you have gone through disappointments. Maybe maybe you believed in someone. Maybe you had a relationship with some person and they cheated on you, and because of that you lost all your trust. But you thought, for some of you it's like you're like, no, I will never believe in love again. I will never believe in this person. I will not be able to believe in myself. So like that, I feel like you're right now you're like in that situation. But the unexpected blessing is that you are going to be out of that situation, and this situation is going to teach you a lot of things. I feel like that. Yeah, nature. So it's like when you connect with nature, when you ground your energy, when you get out of that stress. Because I feel for this, while you are going through a lot of stress, you're overthinking. Maybe for some of you, you are feeling very anxious about things, but your angels are like, get out of your bed, sit with nature. If you cannot go out, at least if you have a plant, connect with that plant. If you have a pet, connect with that pet. If you have children, connect with them. Or if you're staying alone, if you have a YouTube, just play a meditation music, light some candle, chant chant. I'm getting chanting for you guys, and when you do that you will get the guidance from your angels. But right now you're not able to listen to the guidance because you are stressing a lot, because you're so disappointed. You're not trusting your angels, you're not trusting yourself, and I get that. Sometimes situations happen where maybe you have worked on a project and maybe someone has cheated on you there, maybe financially someone has cheated, or maybe they gossiped about you, they did you dirty or something like that, and because of it you're not trusting anyone, you're not able to trust yourself. So it's like your angels are telling you to connect with them, trust them, because when you trust them things will change. Yeah, things are going to change. Okay, this message is like a hope for you guys that things are going to change. You will believe again. Okay, remember, that is what I feel like. You are going to believe again. You will have that renewed passion. You will trust in like you will understand that not everyone is the same, not every relationship is going to be the same. You will meet good people, right? So yeah, solitude, yeah, again connecting with yourself. So for, you have to believe in yourself, and for that you need to connect with yourself. You need to make a space for yourself. Like you need to let go of that stress, let go of that yeah, meditation, guys. Meditate. When you meditate, when you spend some quality time with yourself, that is when you will understand who you are, what you want. And I feel you will be able to forgive them. That will be very unexpected for you guys. Like you are like, no, I will not be able to forgive that person, or I'm not going to forgive that situation. You're holding on to that, but I see the unexpected blessing is that you will connect with yourself. You will discover yourself again, and you'll be like, yeah, you'll be releasing a lot of things. You'll be understanding who you are. You are going to release a lot of things, and for some of you an unexpected thing will be like that. You will understand your life purpose, your own worth. I feel like that it's like a self discovery. So I feel like you're going through a dark night of the soul, but there is light. There is light. Okay, there is light coming, guys. So that is what I feel. That is the blessing. You will see the light soon. So connect with yourself. Yeah, have patience, guys. Look at the rainbows. The balance is coming. I feel you're very, very imbalanced. You're stressing. Okay, for some of you, I feel there is a person will come into your life who you will be able to trust. Maybe a mentor who will help you in this journey. Okay, that will be a blessing for you guys. Or maybe you will watch, maybe it can be like you will watch some videos, you will get some motivation. It can be that also. For some of you, yeah, you are going to be in a hermit mode, and this hermit mode will be a blessing because you will be able to understand yourself, what you want from life, right? And yeah, your energies are going to be very, very balanced. You're going to deep dive. Okay, you're going to find yourself. That is what you're going to rediscover yourself. Yeah, look, your angels are definitely with you. For some of you, it's like your mind, body, spirit is like you're connecting with that, like you're becoming whole again. Yeah, for this pile it's like a spiritual awakening also. And whatever you're going through, this is going to be a blessing in disguise. I feel like that you will understand a lot of things, and you will understand why this happened to you guys. Okay, so yeah, it's difficult now, I know that, but you will overcome it. That's your blessing. Yeah, lovers. And we have again hermit mode. Look, solitude, hermit mode. So you are going yeah. So yeah, spend time in quiet meditation, spiritual teaching, self discovery. You're going to discover yourself. You're going to for some of you, it's like you're connecting with your own higher self. You're connecting with your own divinity. You're connecting with your soul. Okay, so maybe for some of you, you have been doing the things what society wants us to do, or what other people. You have never I feel like you have never understood. Sometimes we don't understand our own capabilities, right? I feel like you were lost, but the unexpected blessing is that you're finding yourself all again, and you're going to love yourself. I feel with this intimate relationship and with this king of wands, this maybe you will have a friend. Okay, I feel like that you will meet a friend who will help you in this journey. Okay, mentor, or maybe a friend, or maybe it can be a lover also. Okay, so yeah, yeah, a new relationship also I'm seeing for you guys. But this person, you can trust this person. So yeah, the unexpected blessing is like, maybe in the past you have gone through relationships that were not good, but this is like someone new is coming, and this person is like uh, help you will help you heal, will help you grow. Yeah, yeah, you're going to complete a cycle. You're moving towards a balance, you're moving towards stability. But yeah, you have to do that inner work, you're going to do the shadow work. So yeah, so connect, meditate. For you guys, it's like when you meditate, when you connect with yourself, when you chant, when you're self disciplined and follow your passion, when you follow your passion. um, yeah, that is what I feel like. You are going to do that, you're going to discover yourself. Sometimes after the loss, like, yeah, that is what I feel. After the loss, you're going to discover yourself. uh, yeah, you're going to find yourself. So for some of you, it's like your health is not good, uh, but your health is going to be good in the future. So things are going to balance. Okay, you're going to rediscover yourself. The rainbows are going to come for you guys. Okay, you finally, the storm is going to pass away, and the rainbows are coming. You're getting out of the tunnel now. You will move towards light. That is what your angels are saying. So trust. Okay, yeah, that's it for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.